want to give you a tour of this really cute bed and breakfast where I'm staying. So this is my room, and look at that, and look at that. These are like jacuzzi, sort of like bathtub kind of a thing there, right in the room. At first, I wasn't sure if I'm gonna like that in the room, but the toilet is inside, so I guess it's okay. And it has very cute touches and like codes every here and there, which I really like paintings, bathroom, and this is how it looks. Like it looked at night. It was really cute. Then I go out. This is like the fall vibe, pumpkin decoration. This cute little library, really tiny, very cute. Then the living hall area. The living area, they have like really like different corners with like character of its own. So this is like coffee vibe, coffee corner. Look at that. The dining room area, like the dining area basically, and like these cute touches. I really like it, like all these cute touches. Look at that. Oh, how cute. She's so cute. Okay, and then tea and everything is here. She said the hummingbird comes here in the morning, and she has her own like garden of vegetables. She even grows like watermelon, like the host. And this is peach preserved in something. And this is, by the way, fun fact: red beet soaked in vinegar and sugar. And she shared some really good hacks how to use it over egg, over salads, and all of that. And that's like the kitchen area. That's their kitchen area, and she was serving us breakfast like from here, and we were sitting here. It felt like home. It felt like my mom was cooking, something like that. And it's really interesting. She would mark the map based on where we belong to, and she has hosted guests from all over the world, it seems, as you can see here. And that's beyond this point is like their home sort of, and this is the portion she sort of like provides for guest. The dining area from a close-up. Pumpkin vibe, fall vibe, cute small touches. Oh, look at the cutie pie. Oh, I think I should let her be. So this is like their like the balcony area, you can say, the lounge area, and backyard. It's so cute. Guys, I thought I'll make like a 1-minute video, but I feel like that definitely won't do justice to how much there is to show all of you and to share with all of you, considering how much actually there is and how much I love the cozy homey vibe. And I have to say, the host was one of the sweetest hosts I've met. She was so like motherly. She was so sweet, and very sweet lady actually. Oh, look at that. How cute, right? And all these cute touches. This is lavender, I think. And it actually feels good just without walking like this without my sandals. Welcome. And then that's huge. This garden is huge, man. She does it herself, everything. Wow, this is the other side of the garden. Let's see what we have here. Oh my god, that's huge. She shared with us that she had built this Airbnb, like this bed and breakfast 5 years ago, just for the purpose of just for the purpose of hosting. And she shared that she really enjoys it, and I can tell she really enjoys hosting people and like getting to know people and just interacting with them, learning about their culture, sharing about her culture, sharing about her traditions and her city and everything. And then another part of the garden, it's really huge. I feel like they're like different gardens, but it's sort of like the same garden, but like different, you can say, entrances to different parts of the same garden, I guess. Look at that. That's like, she grows, that's her garden.